Hi Jay!
Hello, Lucy.
Today we're looking at how to predict the future.
Hey!
Now, I read somewhere that you can see the future by reading tea leaves.
No way. What do you see in there?
Well, I think you're going to feel very energetic soon.
Okay.
And I think you're going to need a toilet.
I think you're going to need a new job.
Hey! But you use going to talk about the future.
I did?
Yeah, let me show you. You can use the verb be plus going to plus a verb to predict the future.
Now, do I have to use the verb be? Is that really necessary?
Yeah, you need am or is or are. You can't use going to just by itself.
Okay, and can I use going to for anything else?
Well, sure, it's great for future plans, but we're going to talk about that in another video.
Okay, so what did we learn today?
We learned how to predict the future using going to.
Here, let me see your tea leaves.
Ooh, what do you see?
Weird. It says here that you're probably going to make another cup of tea.
Oh my God, how did you know that?
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.